Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Blinkit store app and signing in. Make sure you use the account tied to the balance you want to withdraw. Once signed in, navigate directly to the Wallet or Earnings section to view available funds and recent transactions. If you don't see a balance, refresh the screen and check connection. Make sure your bank or UPI details are verified so the app will permit a withdrawal. Once you're in Wallet, tap Withdraw and select the exact amount, either a custom figure or Withdraw All. Next, pick the destination, UPI ID or linked bank account, and confirm any saved beneficiary details. The app may require KYC confirmation or a two-factor authentication step. Follow prompts and enter your UPI PIN or the OTP sent to your phone. You'll see a summary screen, review the amount, fees if any, and then tap Confirm to submit the request. After confirming, wait for an in-app success message and note the transaction reference. This helps track the transfer. Make sure to open your bank or UPI app to verify the funds arrive. Timing varies from instant to a few hours depending on the method. If the withdrawal fails or is delayed beyond the stated window, use the reference number to contact Blinkit support from the app and double-check your bank details. As a troubleshooting step, retry after 24 hours if the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.